Conditional formatting in Inforiver Analytics Plus. Bring your data to life meaningfully. Let's get started with value-based formatting. This type of conditional formatting, as the name suggests, allows you to format the chart based on the values. You can format the value based on negative, win and loss, or custom threshold. To set up negative value, navigate to Conditional Formatting, Value, and click on Negative. In the Conditional Formatting window, you can see that the condition is set to measure value less than 0 by default. Now, select the measure you want to format using the Apply To. Next, choose whether the rule should apply to values or totals. Then, decide where the formatting should appear, either on the chart, data labels, percentage labels, or even the x-axis label. Customize the chart pattern and pick a color that fits your visual style. Once you're done, just click Apply, and your formatting is instantly reflected in the visual. It's fast, flexible, and designed to make your insights stand out. Moving on to win and loss. You can generate two rules, one to highlight positive values and another to highlight negative values. Thanks for watching. Download Inforiver Analytics Plus today. And for more information, refer to documentation provided in the description.